That point too, one of the things, and the cool thing about Clubhouse is that it is still in its infancy. Like this is think about it in terms of, like you had said, Colin, like any of these like inflection points and revolutionary, innovative things like YouTube, right? It would be like being one of the first creators on YouTube back when there was, I mean, I think when I joined, there was like 150,000, 200,000 people. Now there's 2 million. Still, that's insane. And there ways that you can, there's so much ways that you can either just come and get value. But if you're in a position where, like we're giving value. And the thing that I keep seeing over and over and over again is just the people that are rising to the top are the ones that just generally just want to help people, and they understand that the law of reciprocity is going to kick into effect at some point in time, and it's going to come back. And you're going to see people. The other thing about it is that community is so strong that when you have those douchey sales types that come in and just pitch themselves, it gets around. Word gets around, and then those people don't get invited to the stage to talk, or they don't. You know, you're going to have people that are just generally helping people, and I really believe that you're going to see millionaires come out of this stuff. People that you've never heard of before, people that may not have very big followings in other platforms, and then you have the other people that are pivoting. Like I've been able to connect with people that I would have never. Like I said, never connected with. There's a guy named Joe Vargas from Vegas. He's got, I don't know, his name is Hustler on Instagram. He's got like hundreds of thousands or millions of followers, but he owns I think CBDoil.com, and he's been billed as like the CBD king in the industry. Like, what in my normal life am I going to talk to a person like that? Like, but I've connected with him. We're like having texting conversations, and it's amazing because I'm seeing what he's doing on Instagram, and I'm seeing what he's doing on Clubhouse. And for me, like you had said, content, Colin, I think that this is the first social media platform that I genuinely like. Oh, I get it. Like I don't understand Instagram very much. I'm just not always out there taking pictures and putting that out. Like that's just not me. But this is great because you can just pop in, like your thing on Friday. I'm planning on showing up at the start, just to help kick the room off. I'll be at Disney World.
It's awesome.
I'll be at Disney World, but I'm gonna be there, help kick it off. But that's the cool thing is that like, because of Clubhouse, you and I know that Norm has talked about you a ton, but now we're connecting, and I don't know. I really think that there's ways that people can make millions off of this, and with the .club thing, one of the things that I'm planning on doing, all of this stuff. I mean, we spent like $140 buying .clubs last week, so we bought 10. We bought 10 of them, and there's two premiums that I want to get that are about $7,000 each. And anyway, what I'm planning on doing is I refer people to dozens of places, and I just don't do a very good job with affiliate commissions. Like I refer people to Helium 10 all the time. I refer people to Seller.tools. I refer people to all of these things. But my plan is, okay, our clubs, we've been recording. Now this will be the third week that we're recording. And we let people know that, hey, we're recording this. We're not selling this. We're just making this available so that you can download it. And one of my plans is I'm just going to keep giving away all this amazing info and then monetize on the affiliate side. And I'm just going to tell people, hey, anything that I refer are things that I believe in. You can use my affiliate link if you want to. I'll get a little bit of money. If you don't want to give me money, you don't have to use it. But that's what my .club is basically going to be. The I don't know, where I put all of the show notes, where I put all the info and stuff we talk about, because as you know, you'll be in a room and you get a lot of the rooms I'm in are like AMA, like Ask Me Anything type rooms where you're giving advice.
Guess who owns AMA.club? Woohoo!
You just bought that, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. I was the guy.
I think you bought AMZ. Did you buy AMZ AMA?
Yeah, I did that one too.
That was, because we were talking about that, because that's basically the type of club that we run is AMZ, Amazon Ask Me Anythings. So
eCommerce, AMA.
I just see this as like a massive FAQ type thing, where people can go in there and find any answer to the question. What I am thinking through now is, what's this going to do to the course world? What's this going to do to the mastermind world? Is it going to blow the mastermind world up, where people are going to want to be in the same room with people, or are people going to say, I don't know if I need to pay for the mastermind. I can just join a Clubhouse room for free every Friday.
That is something huge, because even now, like virtual summits, events,
right?
Everything you see, like I saw Rad was talking about, having experts and being able to go to Clubhouse and listen to people that you normally, have to pay for. It's free now.
Lunch with the